Hello dear students, welcome back to English Art channel. So in the previous class we discussed about the poem To the Foot from Its Child written by Pablo Neruda. The whole poem talks about the life sketch of a human being, a man's. How a man will be a baby and how a man turns into the old age. In this the journey between baby to means birth to death, how one should get experience ups and downs, pains, gains, happiness, sadness, in all the ways, the matters of all the happen things in the lives of a human being will come to know in this poem. So far we discuss all about this thing. Remaining part, let's see. Let's see next stanza. Latter they grow collused and are covered with the faint volcanoes of death, a crossening hard to accept. So in this stanza, the poet expressing about the situation and changes are found in the nails. How the baby is growing day by day, thereafter the nails of the babies will get hard day by day. How they will be hard and how far they will be hard till the end of the. So in this stanza, call used. The meaning of call used is nothing but becoming, okay, or thickened and hardened part of the skin. So call used in the sense the nail will become, once they were very soft, but how the baby grows day by day, thereafter the nails will become hard, as rough as something. How they become hard means they don't go from the body until and unless the body is burnt. Here the one more term is used with the faint volcanoes of death. Okay, faint volcanoes in the sense when the body is what, burnt, okay, after the death, thereafter only the nails will go on or depart from the body. So in this way the stanza. But this blind thing walks without respite, never stopping for hour after hour, the one foot the other. So in this stanza he is saying that after happening these all the things, okay, but the foot never stops. Okay, blind things is nothing but it is indicated to foot. Foot never stop until and unless the foots will die, the man will die. So how it works means hours to hours, okay, one foot after another foot. So next, now the man's, now the woman's, up, above, down, below. So how the foot walks means, okay, once a man's foot will be there, then another times the woman's foot will be there. But how the foot walk, once above, once below, okay, one time the one foot will be up and one foot will be down, front and behind. In this way the foot walks. Okay, where else the foot walks, okay, it is also expressed in the further stanza. Where else in the sense, through fields, mines, markets and ministries, backwards for a field, inward, forward. So these area the foot keeps on walking. This way the poet expresses that a foot will have all areas of a experience. Okay, so whole the life a foot will never remain so. It should move on in the sense it should work on. Okay, it should work on. Everything will be having rest but not foot. In this way he is expressing. Again I repeat, foot in the sense nothing but human being. Okay, as long as human being alive, so long as the foot is walking or foot is working. Next line, this foot toils in its shoes. Okay, here toils is nothing but work. Okay, as I said, the foot works Where it works? It works under the shoe itself. Okay, not coming outside. Not coming outside. Being into the shoe only it works. Scarcely taking time to bear itself in love or sleep. It walks, they walk. Okay, so how it works in the sense? Works in a how it works, scarcely taking time. Okay, taking its own time it works to bear itself in love or sleep. It doesn't know whether it is in a love or whether it is in a what, sleep, but it should work. It should work. It walks, they walk. Okay, here it walks in the and they walk in the sense when a man walk. Okay, when the people walk, thereafter the foot walks. In this here the both the terms are differently. Okay, different objectly it is expressed. So next stanza, until the whole man, until the whole man chooses to stop, and then it descended underground unaware. For there everything was dark. When it can be stopped? Okay, when it can be stopped? When a foot can stop? When means when the whole man choose to stop. When a whole man means a whole the people, whole the human being choose to stop. Choose to stop is dying. Okay, choose to stop in the sense dying. When a man dies, then after only the foot will stop. How it stop? After burying in the ground, in the earth. Thereafter only that to therefore the foot will doesn't, okay, the foot doesn't come to know that why he is buried. Okay, unknowingly it is buried, then only the foot will be stopped. So in this way he is expressing the how a journey of a foot will finally ends up. Last stanza, what he says, it never knew it had ceased to be a foot, or if they were burying it so that it could fly, or so that it could become an apple. So, as I said in the last stanza, it will be what? Underground. Okay, it will be buried underground, unaware. For there, everything was dark. So finally, when the man is buried under the ground, so thereafter the foot will become, okay, under the dark, because already the foot is in the shoes. Thereafter there always it was in a dark only, so that the darkness never mattered to a shoe. So finally the last stanza it says that it never knew it had ceased to be a foot. The last stanza, it never knew it had ceased to be a foot, or if they were burying it so that it could fly, or so that it could become an apple. So when the moment the foot is buried, when man is buried, thereafter also the foot never come to know that it is going to have an end in his life. Okay, thereafter also the foot thinks that here after buried I may fly, or I may be like an apple. Thereafter also it thinks finally in this thought only, in this misconception only, in this his imagination only, the finally the foot will have an end. So in this way the man's life also be. Whenever the man thinks about his life, it has to be like that, it has to be like this, because one should have always some expectations thereafter, but all the expectations never meet. Okay, never meet, but then also we people have some sorts of expectations, and we need to meet with them, we need to make them happen, because without expectation no one is there as a human being. So in this way the poet Pablo Neruda explained about the man's life from childhood to, or some baby to old age. So how one should get an experience, and one should get his life change, how the ups and downs will have in his life. So in this way the poem ends. Thank you for watching.